Hey, it's Kathy with Just Out and About. Recently we stayed at the Caribbean Beach Resort, so we thought we would take you for a tour. So sit back and relax and we'll get to it.
Okay everyone, so we are staying at Walt Disney World's Caribbean Beach Resort in room 3158. This is our view. See off in the distance, Skyliner's going there. We actually got a water view room. Paid a little bit extra for that. You can see our view here. We are staying at the Barbados Village area. Okay, so actually from our building, we are at building 31. Okay, so if you're wanting to go to the Skyliner, you would go toward the front of the building, toward the water view that I showed you earlier. Or if you were wanting to go to the buses, you would walk straight out toward the road, and we have a bus stop like really close to our building. Okay, so I've walked to the front to where the water is. So if I'm going to go to the main pool area, I would take a right. There's a bridge that wraps around that eventually will take you over to the main building area and the pool area. And this is where most of the dining is. But I'm going to head toward this way, and we're going to walk over to the Skyliners. Okay, so the Caribbean Resort consists of Jamaica, Aruba, Martinique, Old Port Royal, Barbados, and Trinidad. We're headed toward the Skyliners, and the bridge to the Skyliners is straight ahead. So not far from where we are staying at all. And again, we are in the Barbados section. Caribbean beach area is really pretty. There's lots of waterways. Some real beautiful scenery. Oh, there goes one of the Disney buses. Some of the sections have their own small pool area. This is ours for Barbados. Here we have the Skyliner. Once you get on, the Skyliners will take you to Epcot, Walt Disney's Hollywood Studios, or the Riviera Resort, which is Disney's newest resort. Looking across the bridge right here, you can see Disney's Riviera Resort, which is Disney's newest resort. It sits right adjacent from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, which is very close to us. We can actually walk over to it. Okay everyone, so I am back at the Barbados section, the section we are currently staying in here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and we are going to walk toward Port Royal, Old Port Royal, and this is where their main pool area and their main dining hall is for Caribbean Beach Resort, which too, from our section of the resort, Barbados, it's not a bad walk. The Barbados section is also very near Port Royal. That you're looking at right there, that is the main entrance to the resort. And we will walk through the lobby area. Okay, hey everyone, we're gonna give you some pros and cons as far as our stay went at the Caribbean Beach. As you know, the Caribbean Beach was recently remodeled. I really enjoyed the lobby. It was very light, tropical. You felt like you were in the Caribbean. It was extremely nice. Adjacent to the lobby is the gift shop. The gift shop is very nice, and you can find a lot of your Disney treasures within there. Very nice. Also, you have access to the Skyliner at the Caribbean Beach, which is a short walk away. The Caribbean Beach boasts several beaches that you can lay out in the sun, get a tan, and enjoy that Florida sunshine. There are several pools at the Caribbean Beach that you can swim in. Very nice. You're also within walking distance to Walt Disney World's new Riviera Resort. So check that out. Some things that we were not so impressed with was the remodel actually does not look like there was an actual remodel. The rooms are still pretty dark, but they're nice. They're clean. There's carpeting down instead of the new hardwood flooring that they're putting in other resorts.
We went during a heat wave and was having trouble with our air conditioning unit in our room. So we called maintenance, and maintenance told us that was pretty much nothing they could do about it because they are old units. When they remodeled, they didn't replace the old units in there. Also, keep in mind there are no elevators. So if you are staying up on that second floor, you will have to pull your luggage up there. The food court was not very good in our opinion, so we were glad that the Riviera had a good alternative. We were very, very, very disappointed Sebastian's was not open. That was one of the things that we were really looking forward to on this trip. Sebastian's is Caribbean Beach's table service restaurant.
Okay, folks, just to sum it up, our opinion is Caribbean Beach, being a moderate resort, there's really no added value to stay at this resort compared to, say, if you were to stay at Pop Century, which is a value resort. Okay guys, so this was our first experience staying at Caribbean Beach, and to tell you the truth, we'll probably continue to stay at Pop Century because we feel like there is a better value there, even though Caribbean Beach is a moderate and Pop Century is value.
Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Bye!